Hello children, welcome to the class. Children, today we will do the 10th chapter from the book First Flight. The story titled The Sermon at Benares. This story throws light upon the early life of Lord Buddha and his journey from princehood to his saintly life. This chapter is also about the first sermon given by the Buddha at the city of Benares. It reflects Buddha's wisdom about the suffering inflicted by death. So now the story. Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC. He was born to a North Indian royal family as a prince and was named Siddhartha Gautam. At the age of 12 years, he was sent to a faraway place to study Hindu sacred scriptures. He returned after 4 years. Soon he got married to a prince. They had a son. They continued to live the royal life for about 10 years. He was shielded from all the unpleasant experiences of the world. He didn't know sufferings. At the age of 25, while out hunting, he chanced upon a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession, and finally a monk begging for alms. So, one day on his way to hunt, the prince met a sick man, an aged man, a funeral procession, and finally a monk begging for alms. This was his first encounter with the harsh realities of life. These sights moved him very much. These experiences acted as eye-opener for him. Thus, he left all the royalty behind to seek a higher sense of spiritual knowledge. He at once went out into the world to seek enlightenment concerning the sorrows he had witnessed. So thus, he left all the royalty behind to seek a higher sense of spiritual knowledge. He decided to become an ascetic and went out to seek enlightenment. For 7 long years, Buddha went on wandering here and there in search of enlightenment, but in vain. At last, he sat down under a big peepal tree and vowed to stay there until he achieved enlightenment. Enlightened after 7 days, he renamed the tree the Bodhi tree and began to teach and to share his new understandings. So he was enlightened after 7 days. He renamed the tree as the Bodhi tree, that is, the tree of wisdom, and he came to be known as the Buddha, which means enlightened or awakened. He began to teach and spread his message of wisdom and truth. He preached his first sermon at the city of Benares near the holy banks of river Ganga. His first sermon reflects his wisdom and inscrutable kind of sufferings, that is, death. Here, the Buddha tells about the universality of death, which is inevitable and can't be avoided. Children, in the next class, we will do the sermon. Thank you.